What would you do if a drone was flying over your head? Now imagine it's not just any drone, but a United States MQ-9 Reaper drone, one of the most sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles in the world. How would you feel? Terrified? Intrigued? Both? Our story begins in Yemen, where Houthi rebels claim to have shot down one such Reaper drone. This isn't a new scenario for them. They've targeted US drones several times in the past. But this time, they've released footage showing the wreckage of the aircraft, a bold move that's raised many eyebrows. Yemen's Houthi rebels are no strangers to conflict. They've been embroiled in a war with a Saudi-led coalition since 2015, a conflict that's seen them launch multiple drone and missile attacks against their enemies. Fast forward to February 2022, 3 hostile drones penetrate Emirati airspace. They're intercepted and destroyed, far from populated areas. The drone's owners remain a mystery, but fingers point towards the Houthi rebels. The United States pledges support to the United Arab Emirates, even deploying 5th-generation fighters to counter the Houthi threat. By November 2023, the situation escalates. A US Navy destroyer in the Red Sea shoots down a drone flying towards it. The drone, believed to have originated from Yemen, is intercepted without any US casualties. The Red Sea becomes a hotbed of drone and missile activity, with the Israel-Hamas conflict adding fuel to the fire. A month later, the US and UK navies intercept 15 attack drones from Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen in the Red Sea. The US Navy's USS Carney neutralizes 14 drones, while the UK Royal Navy's HMS Diamond destroys 1. The rebels are attempting to pressure Israel into a ceasefire with Gaza, and this move threatens to disrupt global trade. These events highlight the growing tensions in the region and the increasing use of drones in warfare. They also underscore the need for vigilance and effective countermeasures against drone threats. The destruction of the Reaper drone by Houthi rebels is a stark reminder of this reality. In conclusion, the downing of the US Reaper drone by Yemen's Houthi rebels offers a glimpse into the changing dynamics of modern warfare. As drones become more prevalent, the rules of engagement are evolving and the stakes are rising. It's a brave new world, and it's unfolding right before our eyes.